Open your browser. Search pika.art. Link in the description. First of all, you have to sign up. I already done that. So, let's go straight into it. You get only 250 credits for free. That means, you can create 3 seconds video that equals to 10 credits. If you want more, then upgrade it. Now, type your story or scene whatever you want. For example, I type this. You can also upload image or video instead of typing. Then, add style. For the sake of the video, I choose anime. You can also turn on sound effects if you want it. You can change the aspect ratio, camera control, etc. by clicking Advanced option. After that, click Generate button. It takes some couple of minutes to generate the video. It gives different type of videos like this. You can download or delete the video. If you not like this result, then click Retry to see another bunch of videos. Now, you see different type of videos with the same story that I typed in. You can edit, add 4 seconds or a prompt. If you have upgraded version, then, you can add voice to the video by lip sync. You can also add sound effects by typing it. You can download it by clicking this. Try this software with these free credits. If you need it, then upgrade it.